a sign up bonus right now. Can you even see over the steering wheel? This phone is angled down, just so you know. Why do you smoke blunts? Because it makes me feel good. That's why. Yep, it makes me feel good. Can Life Got App channel? Let's go. Can Life Got App channel? I don't know what the hell you talking about. $8.50. What they say, 4 miles? $8.50 for 4 miles. Should I take this? Should I take this? Yeah. Hell yeah. Nah. What's up, Nero? I ain't taking this shit, Nero. You know how I get down, bro. Ain't no way I'm going to 2 spots for $8. It ain't happening. I don't give a damn what's going on. I ain't going to 2 spots for $8. I don't do that. I don't do that. Nope. That's a no for a stack. Absolutely. If that's a stack and if it's a stacked order and it's going 4 miles away, start me out at $12 and then we can do business. $12, 4.2 miles, 2 pickups. All right. $12, 4.7 miles. All right. But once you get to that 5 mile range, well, now I need about $14 for them 2 pickups. I'm not playing no games out here. What the fuck? No, better be going to 2 places for $2. Hell no. Hell, and you already know, Nero, you seen what them 2 places was? Like, nah, bro, you're not about to have me waiting for 10 minutes for $2. No, sir. I'll wait right here for 10 minutes for no dollars. $650 to about $900. That's your weekly earnings. You are a good dasher like some of us. I try, man. I just trying to make some money. And for me, making money means not taking silly offers. Shout out to Sigma. Sigma. Oh, you cheeky bastard. You got it in quick, too. It's okay. You only get 10 seconds. You'll be all right. Why do they deactivate on alcohol orders? Every reason. Liability costs. Fraudulent. Customers saying that they didn't get their stuff. All types of reasons. McDonald's and Taco Bell after 11 p.m. got the lobby closed, so you have to wait in a long line. Yep, you better be on Earn by Time if you get an order for those 2 merchants after the lobby is closed. Yep. Check this out. We moving and grooving. I ain't sitting right here no more. The hell with that. Been sitting too long. Now, I'm not opposed to sitting, but I'm right here by Papa John's. They sent me 2 Papa John's orders, and I didn't like them. And they haven't sent me nothing else. So that means I need to move and go buy Chick-fil-A. Grubhub is on. That's the crazy part. I need to turn it off. It's on. Just sucking battery. That's all it's doing. Sucking battery. It ain't providing no earnings. Not even an earnings opportunity. What's going on with G-Hub? I don't know what they got going on up at the headquarters. I just started an hour ago. Just started working an hour ago. Damn, man, we only made $10, guys. And we still got 140 more to go. We still need to make 140 more bucks. Right? Good luck. I need it. I need it at this point. Last order of the night be the one that gets you. It be the one that gets you. We in Mexico. I'm dashing in Mexico.